Hey guys, so today I've been asked to show more about Aweber and how to make a landing page. So let's go. Okay, so once you're signed into Aweber, just click on landing pages, and here is where you can create one. So you can go to create, or maybe you already have some. So for starters, we'll go to create. So here you're going to see a variety of templates that you can choose from to create a landing page that fits your needs. So many different options. I've used this one before to create kind of a landing page where I have some options of things I want to sell, and I'll show you mine. So here, basically, just pick one that works for you. And I'll show you the example of mine. This is the one that I created, and I use. It looks really good on mobile as well. So basically, it just has a few different products that I use that I recommend, some books, and it's really simple. And then you can add some of your other links in there too. I mean, really, it's kind of it kind of works like ClickFunnels. It doesn't have as many options for buttons and creating stuff, but I still find it really valuable. Like I like that this has templates already put together, and then I use this even in my ClickFunnels too. I'll add it. I use it right now. I can actually show you. One sec. So here's an example of how I use my landing page in my funnels. So this is a ClickFunnels funnel, and both of these bring them to my main opt-ins, my offer, my Facebook group, and then here I have resources, which is my Aweber landing page I created that I use here. But there's so many different ways you can use Aweber landing pages to benefit you. Now, that specific question was regarding how to share it. So once you do that and you make it, you hit publish. And once it's published, you'll see it'll have the unpublished button, but then you have the button to share. And here you could copy the URL, you could share it directly to a different site, lots of different options. You can also copy it here as well. And if you don't like how long this link is, depending on how you're using it, when I use it in my ClickFunnels, it doesn't really matter. But if this is your main offer to the main landing page, then you can use a site like Bitly or something similar to shorten the link. Another example of what you can create in Aweber. Do preview. So this is one that I use as like basically I don't use anymore because I feel like it's too many buttons, but here's another way to really add in all your offers kind of in one spot. So you can see each button goes to a different offer where you can connect any affiliate links here, and have them all in one spot. Maybe they're all related to the same niche, make it easy. If they're looking for a specific product or offer, opt in. I mean, you could change the background, all of these buttons. Okay, so I hope that helped answer some questions about landing pages with Aweber. Of course, Aweber is mainly for your campaigns and running your email sequence. So, I mean, we'll touch on this too. So when you're creating a campaign in Aweber, you go to campaigns, you create, they have like a template here where you can do a follow-up template out of like from scratch, or, you can always upload one. That's kind of what I did. I have another video on that where you can take my entire email sequence and do it for yourself. It'll basically look like this, where you can see the opt-in rates and the open rates, and each message. You customize it whenever you want. I mean, it's really simple to do once you get the hang of it, where you can see how you create your emails and save and exit. I mean, add in whatever buttons you want, and it's really helpful. So yeah, go to dashboard, see how many subscribers you have, how much money you've made, if you're promoting it. I don't really make much money off of Aweber. I find ClickFunnels makes me a lot more commissions. That's probably because Aweber has the free version. So I think it's up until 500 subscribers. They do have the free option, and then it's like around $20 a month when you exceed that. Okay, so hopefully that answered your questions about Aweber. And if you guys have any other questions about affiliate marketing or some of the softwares needed, just drop your questions in the comments and I'll be sure to answer them. And of course, if you haven't already gotten started with affiliate marketing, the link below in the description will help you get started with the same course that taught me everything I know.